PAWS new update just came. You can check your eligibility and much more. So let's get started. The first thing we have to do is tap on check eligibility, then tap on visit website. Now what you need to do is tap on the three white lines at the top left corner of the screen. Scroll down and as you can see I have completed the mandatory tasks. If you scroll down a little bit more, then tap on voting badge. Here you can buy these badges. I think we should only buy the first two badges because other one is too expensive. You can also buy WPAWS if you want with tone. But now let's check our eligibility, which you can do by clicking on the next. And as you can see, I am eligible for the airdrop. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.